Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a website in Hostinger hosting package, and after that you can install WordPress in that. So now we can open hostinger.com, and after that let me log in into my hosting package. Simply you can log in with email and password, and also here you can see social login option. So let me sign in with the Google. Now here you can see we are logged in into the Hostinger. Then now simply click here on the websites, and after that here you can see plus option to add a website. Click here, then select the WordPress, and after that first of all here you can add email. Here you can see I added email address then password, so this will be to log in your website. And after that you can add a strong password, then click next, and after that it will ask to create online store or any other website. Let me select blog, then simply click next, and after that you can select pre-built themes as well as standard themes, and also you can select the skip option. Then you can select the recommended plugins as well as you can select this option that you want to install the plugins manual. Then click next, and after that scroll down, you can uncheck the plugins that you don't want to install. Then simply click next, and here you can add the domain name. So if you have purchased any domain, that will be shown here. You can select the domain, and there is an alternative option that you can easily select temporary domain. So it will create a free subdomain and install WordPress in that. Here you can see WordPress installation is started, and it will take just few seconds. After that you will be able to log in into your WordPress website. So guys, now here you can see new WordPress website is ready to use. Simply you can click here, and after that here you can see how website looks. Just you can add /wp-admin to log in into this WordPress website. And after that, if you want to connect this subdomain with the primary domain, just you can click here, and after that here you can see I got these domains. So you can also get another domain, and here you can see option for the existing domain name. Simply you can select the domain name, and after that it will be connected. Here you need to add the domain that you have already purchased, otherwise you need to get a new domain. Simply click here buy a new domain, then here you can add domain name. For example, let me add here google.com. Then here you can see this domain is not available, so you need to select a domain that is available. For example, then now let's search for this one. Now here you can see domain is available. You can easily purchase this domain from your credit card, and after that you can connect this domain with the hosting.